been having a walk around the land. Just saw a couple of small snakes, but they slithered off before I could get to video them, so I didn't get them on camera. But I've just been noticing that our pond is getting quite full at the moment. Couldn't really work it out why, because we haven't been getting that much rain. And I realised that the grandparents have been emptying their pond into this pond. So let's take a look at their pond. Well, this is what the pond looks like when it's nearly empty. I think they're trying to get all the fish out, so they are emptying it. Still some fish in there. So this pond has some history for us. Before we had the house built, the grandparents hired some contractors with this big excavator and used some trucks to move the soil to raise the level of our land, and then they raised the level of where our house will sit by about another metre. So the total cost to do this was about 40,000 baht, which is 885 British pounds or 1,190 US dollars. The pond has been empty before. It was about 5 years ago. They needed water for their rice fields, so they had to empty the pond. And at that time, they took out most of the larger fish that were in there. Fishing Thai style involves using a net with weights on. So the technique is to spread the net out as much as you can when throwing it in the pond so that the fish get caught underneath. Great, another fish.
You can go in there.
I'm stuck.
Oh dear.
Cái lực trang nước thì đang mua lừa à?
Big one.
Nó cứng. Nè.
Full already. There's a big fish in there. Here they tried a different style of fishing, so they just dragged the net across the pond, trapping any fish that were below it.
Hey, what you do with us? So refreshing.
I had visions we were going to have a fishing competition, but come down here and the smell. I thought, oh, I can't go in there. I'm worried that I might get infection or something. Yeah, but I'm old. I'm old. Big one. So when it was time to clean up, I allowed the boys to wash themselves down with the hose from the pond. Then they had a swim in the pond, and then they went into the new shower that I fitted and had a nice cool shower. Looks like we got fish for dinner. This is called a snakehead fish. One of many that are in there. Well, we managed to get quite a few fish, and the family did have a feast, although we didn't have any. So the original plan was I was going to get in the water with the boys and try to catch the fish, but I realised that wasn't such a good idea. For the start, the water was very, very smelly, and I do suffer from eczema, so I was a bit worried that I might get some kind of skin infection. And also, boys were already covered in mud, so we had nobody else to hold the camera. So, although I didn't get in the water, the boys did have lots of fun, and it was a good experience. It's not every day you get to help your family empty a fish pond. No. Something that I would never ever do in the UK. So just one of those experiences that you can only have when you're living in rural Thailand. So this is not a tourist attraction, this is just what everyday life is like here in rural Thailand. So I like to show what being retired in Thailand is really like. So if you enjoyed watching my video, I'd appreciate a like or subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It all helps my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.